What's in my living room?
Hi.
What are you, a little Indian in a teepee? Come here. Do you know how to close it? Avery, where are you? Where?
Oh, where's the magnet?
Let me see inside of there.
I don't see any
Let me
magnets.
see. Oh my gosh. Mama sewed the magnets right inside like this. And they close like that.
Cool.
There is a teepee right in the middle of our living room. And we made it using a new book called Snip, Solder, Burn, and Shred. Pretty cool. We like it. I think we might have to get some bigger poles. Let me see you go inside.
Nope.
Are you going to sleep in it?
Nope.
Avery, let me see the inside.
Hi.
Let me see the inside. Can you open it? Avery's hiding. Are you a mean Indian? Hi. Wave bye, Avery.